Look, listen, and repeat. Cat. Cat. My cat likes to chase mice and birds. Kitten. Kitten. The kitten is so cute. Dog. Dog. I walk my dog twice a day. Puppy. Puppy. The playful puppy runs around the yard. Hamster. Hamster. A hamster stores food in its cheeks. Guinea pig. Guinea pig. A guinea pig enjoys fresh vegetables and fruits. Ferret. Ferret. The ferret loves to play with small balls. Rabbit. Rabbit. I fed the rabbit some fresh carrots. Mouse. Mouse. My friend had a mouse when he was a child. Turtle. Turtle. Mary has a turtle at home named Jimmy. Goldfish. Goldfish. My goldfish likes to play in the water. Parrot. Parrot. Tom taught his parrot to say, hello. Canary. Canary. My canary sings beautiful melodies. Pig. Pig. A pig likes to rest in the mud. Piglet. Piglet. I saw a piglet running and playing happily. Cow. Cow. My father bought a new cow for the farm. Bull. Bull. The farmer told me to stay away from the bull. Calf. Calf. The little calf was born just yesterday. Hen. Hen. The hen laid eggs in the nest. Rooster. Rooster. A rooster crows at dawn. Chick. Chick. A fluffy chick hatched from an egg. Goat. Goat. The farmer has a goat and a cow on his farm. Kid goat. Kid goat. I fed the kid goat some fresh grass. Duck. Duck. I saw a duck on the bank of the pond. Duckling. Duckling. The little duckling followed its mother. Goose. Goose. A goose is much bigger than a duck. Gosling. Gosling. A newborn gosling joined the goose family. Turkey. Turkey. The turkey walked proudly around the yard. Ram. Ram. A ram has large curving horns on its head. Sheep. Sheep. Our sheep gave birth to 2 lambs yesterday. Lamb. Lamb. The little lamb was cute and cuddly. Llama. Llama. A llama has a long neck and soft wool. Donkey. Donkey. That's not a horse, it's a donkey. Deer. Deer. A deer sheds its antlers every year. Fawn. Fawn. The fawn followed its mother through the forest. Horse. Horse. I rode a horse for the first time when I was 20 years old. Foal. Foal. The foal slept peacefully in the barn. Test yourself. What animal is this? Guinea pig, hamster, puppy, mouse. Hamster. What animal is this? Rabbit. Which picture shows a parrot? This one. What animal is this? Piglet. What animal is this? Hen, rooster, chick, calf. Rooster. Which picture shows a goat? This one. What animal is this? Duck. What animal is this? Goose, sheep, turkey, puppy. Sheep. Which picture shows a donkey? This one. What animal is this? Ram. What animal is this? Lamb, foal, llama, fawn. Foal. What animal is this? Deer. Which picture shows a lamb? This one. What animal is this? Horse.